Hi guys, it's me Lorraine, your Pelikan Hub Mandaluyong Hub Master, and I am here with the boxes from Pelikan. Yay! I do want to do a short unboxing. I actually made one earlier as I was cutting through the boxes, and then I realized that you really don't need to see me just cutting through boxes for like 20 minutes. So I am just going to show you what's in the boxes. This is box number 1. We've got in here notepads, lots and lots of notepads. So everyone gets one of these notepads. I haven't opened them yet, so I'm not sure how the paper is, but I would think that they are fountain pen friendly. And in here, in these boxes, of which we have a lot of, we have got the wonderful, exciting, there you go. It's the ink of the year, olivine. Everyone is getting one of these. It's very exciting. It's a lovely olive green. So in this box, we've got about 6 boxes in here. 6 boxes in here. Each box has about four boxes of ink. So that's already a lot. Moving on to box number 2, we have more ink. More ink. Over here, we have got, oh, more notepads, right. So, lots of ink, lots of notepads. Quite exciting, I think, to me, is this is the banner. And I won't be showing this to you now because you can come see it at the hub. So we got the banner over here. We have got this, I believe this is an ink swatch book. That's fun. Little tin sign. Oh, happy day. Yay. So that's in 2 days, guys. More inks, more notepads. Over here, we have all the paperwork. These are actually lovely, name tags. So we're gonna use these. Gonna write your own name, and so that everyone knows what to call you. And finally, we've got all of these, which are special. Actually, let me grab one of these over here. Special magazines from Pelikan. So we can really get our Pelikan on. Everyone gets one of these as well. And isn't it exciting? Thank you guys. Can't wait to see you on Friday. And we're gonna have a really good time. Bye.